Hey y'all, iRix Guy here, and this is how to monitor activity in real time on a Linux machine. Now think of this, if you're a Windows person, you're probably used to Task Manager. But here's how you do it. So you log into your Linux server as root, and then when you're root, you type TOP, top. If you don't have this installed, you can install top on most any flavor of Linux. So just type top and then press enter, and you can see now, a real-time view of what's going on. You see MySQL D, that's my MySQL database. You'll see some things flash up here. You'll probably see Apache flash here in a second. That's my web server. It's a pretty heavily hit website, so I really appreciate your see, there's Apache 2 right there. That's somebody hitting my website. But this is just really handy if you need to. You can see the memory utilization. Yeah, MySQL D is pretty heavy hitter in comparison to the others, but that's to be expected for a database. So if you want to see, if you've got a system's running slow, you want to see which processes are hitting memory the hardest, CPU the hardest. TOP is a very convenient and easy way to do it, and you can see a summary up top as well. And I haven't rebooted. Actually, the only reason I rebooted this server is because I installed some upgrades. And typically you don't even need to reboot a Linux server just because they're so rock solid. But yeah, that's how to monitor activity processes in real time on a Linux server. Hope this video helped, and if it did, be sure to like this video, subscribe, share with others, and ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. God, look at all those website hits. Boom, boom. I love that. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.